Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make music from the beginning to the end. This particular video will show you music production secrets from beginner start point in 2023. So I'm going to show you how to make beats from scratch. If you're a beginner, this video is right for you. So remember, the formula for making music is sound plus uniform pattern is equal to what? Music. Sound plus uniform pattern is equal to music. So I'm going to jump into the software where I'm going to show you basically all around on how the software works and how to compose sound with it. So we have different type of software, but all the different type of software are designed to do the same job, which means to help you compose sound into music. So let me show you right now on how to compose sound into music. So right here we are in our software. So this particular software we are using is called FL Studio software. So right now this is our sound, and this is another sound. So I'm going to place this sound, I'm going to put patterns into the sound. When I put patterns into the sound, definitely you'll see that it's going to become music. So let's go. So basically this is our kick drum, and I'm going to add hi-hats. So guys, as you can see, I just arranged patterns into the sound and it's becoming music. Remember, the formula is sound plus uniform pattern is equal to what? Music. Let's proceed. So I'm going to add another keyboard here. I'm going to bring in an instrument, and I'm going to highlight our chord. So first I'm going to choose what's called a root note. So this is a sound, and we're also going to create a pattern into it, right? So I'm just going to click the return button to help fill in the bar, right? Okay, now we're going to add extra note to this particular instrument. So this first note are called root notes. So we're going to add extra notes to them that is called chord. Okay, so more than one note is called chord. Okay guys, as you can see the process, remember, sound plus pattern is equal to what? Music. So let's go. I'm going to add to the sound to make it healthy. So this is our chord. So three notes comes together is called chord. More than one note is called chord. So now you can see the uniformity and the beauty of this particular instrument is I bring in a sound, I combined it with another sound, and I add extra sound. So the richness of these three sounds come together gives you that beautiful feel. So this is our chord progression. So when you have chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4 is chord progression. So you have chord 1 progress to chord 2, chord 2 progress to chord 3 progress to chord 4. So this uniform pattern gives you what? Music. So the next is I'm just going to play a basic melody. So in this particular FL Studio has provided a feature to help you see the ghost line of the instrument you played before. So when I'm going to arrange a melody. What is a melody? A melody are single notes that expresses a musical form. Okay, single note arranged in a uniform pattern is called melody. So I'm going to demonstrate a melody for you right here. So guys, I just played the melody and I'm just going to change the instrument type. Let's see what happens. So guys, you can see we already have music right here. Remember, sound plus pattern is equal to what? Music. So we just have basically that I just showed you how to create sound. Okay, so I'm going to double this sound. I'm going to click clone to duplicate, and I'm going to choose another flavor of sound right here, Rode. So I'm going to copy this. I'll just right click, Control C on your keyboard, or you could just come here and click I think edit copy. So you highlight here, you go to edit, you click copy. So when you get here, you click here, you click edit, you click paste. Okay, so we're going to preview this sound. So this is 1 2. So we're going to combine the two sounds together and see the quality it's going to give to us. So you can see the sound is more richer and healthier, right? So we're going to accompany the melody to it. So guys, so you see how we come up with music. Remember, sound plus pattern is equal to what? Music. So right now, right here, we're going to bring in our bass sound. So I'm just going to copy this. The low note, the root note of this particular instrument is E, F. So I'm just going to copy the root note. I'll go to edit, copy. Then I'll bring in another flavor of instrument, a bass instrument. I'm going to bring in a bass instrument. So follow this tutorial step by step, okay? And I'm going to right click. I'm going to click piano roll to go to the piano section. And I'm going to edit and paste. So let's preview. Or I can also duplicate and bring in another flavor by copying this one. I'll just go here, edit copy, and I'll come here, piano roll, edit, paste. So we're going to experiment the two flavor, right? So let's play everything together, right? So guys, any genre of music that you want to produce, this is exactly the same process. Remember, sound plus uniform pattern is equal to music. So if the pattern you created is not uniform, it's not going to sound very musical. It's not going to sound very interesting. So be very careful and ensure. So what we have here is we have a lot of spacing for you to consider If you put your sound somewhere and it's not sounding great, so just remove it and place it somewhere. So these are the spacing that will help you position your sound into being uniform, okay, before you can have a very good sound. All right. So I'm going to check out the next instrument that we just played. So you can also on your keyboard Control A to drag. Timing here is short. So you can see it's off a bit. So you can see it's off a bit. So you can see it's off a bit. So we just space it with the kind of flavor that we want. So this is the pattern we put our kick, right? So I'm going to bring the clap in to respond to the snare. So it's more like a call and a response, right? So when I have two different patterns, one pattern on the kick, another pattern on the snare that help correspond with the first pattern, then pattern on this third instrument that will help correspond with the first two pattern. Okay. Oh yeah. So right now we head back to our instrument, which is this. So we play this instrument, put it in a pattern that will help to correspond, to help to sync to the other first instrument. Watch. So basically what we do here to ensure that we put all the sound into a pattern that correspond to each other. Remember, patterns that correspond to each other. If the patterns are not corresponding to already the sounds that you've created, you're going to go off beat, okay? So you're not going to be having that interesting vibe that you want to hear. So you must make sure that if you are creating a new pattern, allow the pattern to sync in support or to correlate with other patterns you've already created, okay? So we're going to preview the rest. So guys, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video, and also put your comment in the comment section if you want me to do other videos for you. And this is how you actually make music. Remember, all music production software are all designed to do the same thing. Please don't be caught up with the act, oh, this software is better, this is better, all software are good. So the most important thing is learn to master the one you like to use, so you are going to achieve the same result. So guys, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, and in the next video, the video shows you how to arrange your beat, how to mix your beats, to learn further. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and so that you get notification whenever we upload any new video. So see you guys in the next video.